Welcome back guys to a new video, and today you guessed it, it's a new A5 video, and yes, we are putting a new rear black badge on.
Finally.
Finally.
But no front one.
Not the front one, but he's gonna convince me and still make me buy it, so we'll see about that.
Yes.
And some of you guys asked whether some of our performance mods made any difference to throttle response or just in general fuel consumption wise because of the new exhaust. So we go through that one by one. So let's crack on with putting on the new badge on and go from there. Right, so that's the black badge, and that's going to replace that one right there.
But it's smaller.
It is smaller, but I think it will look just about right. So we're going to
finally black.
I know, it's fine. Can't lie, now that I can physically see it with a black badge, yes, you guys were right to get a black badge. So we're going to figure out. Yes, Dan, you're right. Okay, sorry. Yeah, we're going to get the heat gun out, heat it up, remove it, and use some other products to get rid of that residue stuff left over. They supplied us with some 3M sticky stuff. Hopefully that sticks on.
Right, it's stuck on your spoiler.
Yeah, exactly.
It's pretty much the same stuff.
Yeah, and then we go from there.
And that's not gone flying down the motorway yet.
Nope, not yet. Yeah, yes, you're right. I can check the whole car.
Yeah, please don't do that, just in case it does come off. Jinx it. Okay, guys, so yeah, we're going to crack on with it now. So. So while this guy's going to get his special stuff, yeah, this is what's supposed to be apparently being stuck at the back.
Got
You back?
Special stuff.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What is it?
AD budget build stuff.
Oh, good. Okay, nice.
Yeah, it's special stuff in here, guys. Can't get it from the shops.
Nope.
No.
Online exclusive.
Yeah. I don't know where online, but
I know.
it's special stuff. Let's put it on this cloth.
Has it got a nice scent?
Yeah, don't sniff it, guys.
Still working on the formula.
Yeah, I might put some lemons in it later, or some strawberries.
Yeah.
Make it smell nice. Yo, it's actually probably lemons.
Citrus kind of smell, yeah.
12 seconds later.
So guys, we finally managed to get all the residue off by using our little secret formula and some scratch mirror from Autoglim. And Dan, please do the honors and stick the badge on.
Oh, I don't want to stick it on.
Yeah?
Yeah, leave it off.
Nah, man.
So like if I just throw this somewhere, and just like, oh no badge. Oh, well,
Nah, we're not doing that.
Okay, fine. Do your way.
Yeah, man. First you said get a black badge, now you're saying no badge.
Well, I said no badge originally, but you need a badge
Nope.
in the car.
I want a black badge.
Oh, yeah, they need to know what vehicle you're driving in, because it's an Audi, isn't it?
Of course.
Oh.
No pressure.
Never no pressure, mate. If it doesn't work, it don't work.
Yeah.
Perfect. Cool.
Ready?
No.
Oh.
Never ready. And make sure it stick. Don't you go down the road and the next one's like, oh no badge. Oh well, what a shame.
Watch how this guy's gonna sneakily come down and just like, take off my badge.
I know where you live.
Wow, stalker alert.
Much better.
Yeah, man. You guys are right. Yes,
See,
it looks...
we're always right. Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Always right.
Looks so much better.
Looks nice. Now we need to do the front one.
No.
Yes.
No. You're not trying to convince
black
me.
At the rear, front, chrome at the front. That's odd.
Nah, man.
It's like, why? Look. No, if this would be better.
What do you guys reckon?
Stand here.
Yep, stand there.
Stand
Right.
here like this, because there's nothing going on here at
Yep.
all. There's nothing wrong here. Yeah, this should be black, I think. gloss
Yeah?
black. Yeah. To match. You can't have chrome at the front, and I guess you could. There's the only bit of chrome you've got, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it. There's nothing else black.
Yeah. Can I move now?
Yeah, go ahead, move. Yeah, move.
No. Oh wait.
Should we tell them?
No.
No, now?
Not now.
Okay, right. Fair enough. Yeah, maybe
Let's
I'll get
tidy
that
up,
one.
and then we just we got onto this.
Next part where we
Next
talk
part.
about the mods.
Not mods. There's no mods.
Yeah, there's no mods. Right guys, we just finished tidying up and we are moving on to talk about my mods, whether they had any beneficial like throttle response increase or better fuel economy because of my exhaust, and how I've been driving since you know, whether I like the exhaust sound or not. Right, so firstly with the throttle response, yes, it has a massive improvement. So it's more snappy, especially in sport mode. Yeah, it does actually go. And in terms of the GFB bit that we installed, i.e. the choo-choo noise or the turbo flutter noise, yes, it does. You can recover from boost very quickly, and especially around the 3,000, 4,000 RPM range. Yes, you can definitely feel it kicking in, because once you're in 5th gear, it drops down automatically to 3rd, and then yeah, you can. The boost is right there. There's no lag. But however, when you're driving on normal roads, say for example you're going on a red traffic light and you're trying to move off, yeah, there's some sort of delay. Yeah, I would say that these mods affect the higher end of the RPM range rather than low. Maybe after a remap or something, the tuners can, you know, map that in for me or something like that, which we are looking to get done. Now secondly, the exhaust. Yes, it was a major great upgrade for me, but I can't stand it inside. There's too much drone inside, especially when you're driving 50 miles per hour on cruise control. Yeah, I can't stand it inside. Maybe that's just me, maybe you guys might like it. What the plan might be is to get another box where the first resonator was for this car. If not, just get it done again by adding a couple more boxes or just moving the box about, because where I'm sat, there's supposed to be a box there, which we removed, as you saw in the previous episode. That was that. What else was it, bro? Was there something else I was missing that they asked?
No, I think that's it.
No,
No?
that was it?
I think so. If not, I'm sure somebody will comment
Yeah, you guys
saying
can
you
comment
missed
and we can do
something.
that again, that's fine.
But yeah, I think you covered it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Now on to the next thing that Dan's been waiting for to show. Come on here.
Sad times. Oh, sorry about the sunlight, guys. But
So,
it makes a change.
Let me grab the camera.
So this side is nice. Look at this. Look, see? You remember how we fit it, guys? Nice. Look, follows round, 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 round. Oh, wait. Wait,
Yeah.
what happened here?
Yeah, long story short, don't mount the curb. I don't think of it as much because you can mount the curb fine, but when you're reversing it clipped on and yeah, just snapped in half. Do you want to, I'll just bring that.
Yeah, go and get it, because this is like terrible. Clean off. How long has it been on there?
Bro, less than a month. When did we last shoot it? I mean, since that day, innit?
Yeah.
Anyways, so yeah, these are the two pieces that actually broke off. And yeah, it did make me feel really, you know, shit. But it's because he went through the struggle to put it on, and yeah, it was a pain in the ass to get it on in the first place. But now the plan is he said, don't worry about it, so let's get it fixed.
We're gonna fix it.
And hopefully I'll
AD budget builds way.
yeah, made me feel better that way. But
Till
yeah,
we get a new one. So
That's
when
it.
we get it, this is only a temporary fix, so
yes,
we're gonna show you how we're gonna do that now. So the plan is, we're gonna stick it on. We're gonna stick this on.
Yep.
Temporary, just tape it or something. And then we're gonna glue it all the way here, stick it on. And then we're gonna use some
What is that?
mesh stuff, aluminium mesh. We're gonna
Okay.
cut strips. We're gonna stick it from underneath here using some P14.
See how excited he gets. Oh my days.
Yeah,
So
some
what's-
fiberglass.
Fiberglass.
Yeah, so we're gonna just literally just put a thin layer of fiberglass underneath
Yeah.
with this, so it sticks. Yeah.
Okay.
Or we could cable tie it. You look like you've been drifting as well.
Drifting?
That will go on there. Back on as best as I can get it.
Yes.
Back on like that. We're gonna tape it temporarily, and then we're gonna glue it first, and then we're gonna push it on, tape it so it holds it.
Yep.
And then from underneath, we're gonna just use some of that some of that mesh.
Yeah.
Cut down strips, and we're gonna fix it underneath with some fiberglass. And
Okay.
hopefully that will hold and doesn't come flying off.
Yeah.
It shouldn't do. It should be right. We're gonna do that.
I'll let you know if it does when I go home.
It's gonna be missing when you get home.
Exactly that.
So yeah, so that's how we're gonna do it. Because I don't have one of those tool things you heat up plastic and you fix it that way. I don't know what they're called. Can't
Yeah.
remember. But yeah, we're gonna do it this way because it's the board
Much
way.
easier. That's it. Right guys, so Dan made it work by just adding some super glue, and yeah, it looks like as if there's no change. So he's getting ready for the P, whatever it's called, the mesh.
Glass.
Okay, P45. And
P40.
oh, sorry. Where did
P45.
That's a tax thing. Never mind. But yeah, you got P40 there, ready for.
Just some fiberglass. We're gonna stick underneath for a bit of these. Stick it on, like patching basically underneath for the crack.
All right.
Just to give it a bit more
Strength.
to it, yeah. In case you decide to,
Curve it again.
curve it again and break it, yeah. And Dan has to fix it for you again.
That's it. Dan the man.
You might as well just keep it now.
Yeah, bro.
No, I'm joking. Get a new one.
Nah. Let's see.
So it's just so it doesn't look so.
Tatty.
Yeah. Might have to jack up the car on
Yeah.
one side.
All right. Right guys, Dan did his magic and he sorted it out, and yeah, looks like nothing really happened.
It's back on.
Yeah man, looks really good.
We're gonna get a new one anyway. But
Yeah, just to like,
we don't know when.
that's it. So that's it guys. So we're gonna get some more mods for the car. First off, obviously replacing this broken, well fixed front lip, some side skirts. But I'm finding it hard to find some because the Maxon Designs ones, I know they do them, but I don't like the design of it. So if you guys know any other designs or manufacturers that do some side skirts for the A5, let me know, and then I'll look at them and then buy them and show you guys. Yes, black badge, and I think a few other stuff, isn't it? But we're not going to tell them just yet.
No.
Cause
Hush,
I
hush.
think it'll be, yeah, hush hush.
That's it.
So that's it guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you guys are subscribed somewhere, that's there. If you like the video, thumbs up, and yeah, stay tuned on the Formula 1 day as well, because big things are happening on that car. And Mr. Dan behind here is very excited. So yeah, stay tuned.